Okay, good morning. In today's video, we discuss about the magnetohydrodynamics and renewable energy conversion source. So basically, when we start from the starting, that in total consumptions of the electricity, according to number of parameters, the generation of electricity, that is conventional and non-conventional, and according to the percentage wise, the thermal power plants, the percentage is 66.44%, the rest is 12.9%, nuclear power plants is 2.32%, hydro power plants say 19.13%, and REARs the rest of 13 to 14% of the generation of electricity in all over the world. Now, the 80% of the total electricity produced in the world is hydel, while the remaining 20% of the produced from the nuclear, thermal, solar, geothermal, and form of the magneto-hydrodynamics generator. To our a very huge area of the electricity produced generation by the hydraulic and thermal, only to 20% area from which we generate the electricity, that is the nuclear, thermal, solar, and magneto. Now, in today's video, we discuss about how to generate the magneto-hydrodynamics generation of the electricity. The MHD power generation is a new system of electric power generation which is said to be of high efficiency and low pollution. In advantage of the magneto-hydrodynamics, that without any raw material, we apply a method and direct convert from the according to the law, Faraday's law, we form the electricity. In advance, MSD generates are widely used, but in developing countries like India, it is still under the construction. This construction works in the progress at Trichy in Tamil Nadu under the joint effort of the Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Associated Cement Corporation, and Russia Technologies. As its name implies, magnetohydrodynamics is concerned with the flow of the conducting fluid in the presence of the magnetic and electric field. The fluid may be the gas at elevated temperature or liquids metal like sodium or potassium seals. So the basic principle that the magnetohydrodynamics, the name indicates itself is the magnet. When it flows the conducting fluid in the presence of the magnetic and electric field in between the two semiconductor, and the magnetic field of our gaseous plasma flows in between the two conductors, then an EMF will be produced, and by the EMF we obtain the electricity. Now, an MHD generator is a device for converting heat energy of a fuel direct into the electrical energy without conventional electrical generator. In this system, an MHD converter system is a heat engine in which heat takes up at a high temperature is partially converted into useful work, and the remainder is rejected at a temperature. जो MHD converter है वो work as a heat engine which heat takes हाई टेम्परेचर से हीट लेगा और यूजफुल वर्क में कन्वर्ट करेगा तो आवर मीन वर्किंग एज वेल एज द हीट इंजन and the remainder is rejected to a lower temperature like all heat engines, just like as the heat sink. The thermal efficiency of an MHD converter is increased by supplying the heat at the highest practical temperature and rejecting it at the lowest practical temperature. The output of the MHD is supplied to the conventional thermal plant. The principle of MHD power generation. When an electric conductor moves across a magnetic field, a voltage is induced in it. Electric conductor moves. अगर कोई कंडक्टर है मैग्नेटिक फील्ड के बीच में मूव कर रहा है, a voltage will be induced in it which produces an electric current. This is the principle of the conventional generator where the conductor consists of copper strip. In MHD generator, the solid conductors are replaced by a gaseous conductor and ionized gas. If such a gas is passed at a high velocity through a powerful magnetic field, a current is generated and can be extracted by placing electrodes in suitable positions in the steel. The principle can be explained as follows. An electric conductor moving through a magnetic field experiences a retarding force as well as an induced electric field and current. Now, the principle of the MHD generator. How the करंट ऑप्टेन थ्रू द मैग्नेटो हाइड्रोडायनेमिक्स। सबसे पहले हमारे पास दो मैग्नेट हैं, एक मैग्नेटिक पोल जिसको हम कैथोड कह सकते हैं, दूसरा जो है एनोड है। ये दो मैग्नेट हैं, एक नॉर्थ का और साउथ का। अगर कोई सेमी कंडक्टर और कंडक्टर इस मैग्नेट के बीच में अगर हम मूव कराएं और आयोनाइज्ड फ्लूइड गैसेस जिसको हम प्लाज्मा कहते हैं इसको पास कराएं, then we obtain the voltage supply and this voltage is converted into the form of current. The principle of MHD power generation. The flow of the working fluid according to the Faraday's law, that when the anode and cathode, the dielectric fluid is flowing through the two magnetic fields, then an EMF will be generated, and this according to the Faraday's law. Now, the principle of MHD power generation. This effect is a result of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. The induced EMF is given by U into B, where U is the velocity of the conductor and B is the magnetic field intensity. The induced current is given by C into EIND, where C is the electrical conductivity and the retarding force on the conductor is Lorentz force, that is G into B. The principle of MHD power generation. The electromagnetic induction principle is not limited to solid conductors. The movement of a conducting fluid through a magnetic field can also generate electrical energy. जो मैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन प्रिंसिपल है, इट इज़ नॉट लिमिटेड टू सॉलिड कंडक्टर, सॉलिड के लिए ही नहीं है सिर्फ। अगर कोई वर्क कंडक्टिंग फ्लूइड जो है वो अगर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड के बीच में से पास होगा, उसके थ्रू भी हमें इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी ऑब्टेन होगी। व्हेन ए फ्लूइड इज यूज्ड फॉर द एनर्जी कन्वर्जन टेक्निक, इट इज कॉल्ड मैग्नेटो हाइड्रोडायनेमिक्स। अगर कोई फ्लूइड एनर्जी कंजर्वेशन टेक्निक्स में इस्तेमाल आता है तो हम उसको कहते हैं मैग्नेटो हाइड्रोडायनेमिक्स। The flow direction is right angle to the magnetic field direction. An electromotive force or electrical voltage is induced in the direction at right angles to both flow and field direction, as shown. Principle of MHD power generation. As the figure, the cemented Faraday's generation, that the motion, the Faraday's and Hall's electric fields, and electromotive force and load currents, the field. These are the sites: hot gases flow, insulator specters, electrodes, insulated wall, insulated loads, and fields. The principle of MHD power generation. The conducting flow fluid is forced between the plates with a kinetic energy and pressure differential sufficient to overcome the magnetic induction force. Find the in-V drawing illustrates the construction of the flow channels. An ionized gas is applied as the conducting fluid, and the ionization is produced either by thermal means, by an elevated temperature, or by seeding with substances like cesium or potassium, which ionize at relatively low temperature. The atoms of seed element is split of electrons. हेलो, वीडियो बना रहे हैं, आधे घंटे बात करेंगे ना, 12 बजे। Of ionized at relative low temperature. The atoms of seed elements split of electrons. The presence of the negativity charge electrons makes the gas an electric conductor. Now, the principle of the MHD gas generator. The heater, the cooler and generator load, this is the working principle of the MHD power generation. Now the various of MHD system, there are the two types of MHD system. The MHD system, open closed system and the closed system. Closed system seeded into inert gas system and liquid metal system. Open closed system. Open cycle system, the fuel used may be oil through an oil tank or gasified coal through a coal gasification plant. हम जैसे कि वर्किंग फ्लूइड जो प्लाज्मा है उसको हमें चार्ज कराना है क्योंकि जब वर्किंग फ्लूइड हाई इंटेंसिटी से पास होगा तो हाई इंटेंसिटी ऑफ द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड विल बी generated and by this we obtain the electricity into the huge velocity. The fuel, coal oil or mustard gas is burned into the combustor or combustion chamber. The hot gases from the combustor is then seeded with a small amount of ionized alkali metal, cesium or potassium, to increase the electrical conductivity of the gas. The seed material, generally potassium carbonate, is injected into the combustion chamber. The potassium is then ionized by the hot combustion gases at temperature of roughly 23 to 100 to 27 degrees centigrade. Now, open cycle system. In open cycle system, the magnetohydrodynamics open cycle system diagram. First coal, the coal processor, where crushed into the powder form, the combustion phenomena occurs. One side the compressed air goes inside this, and the seeding. The MHD generator, and here the two magnets, and then we obtain the DC supply. With the help of inverter, we obtain AC supply. Rest exhaust gases again, that air is preheated or regenerated, then goes to the seed recovery units and purify sulfur and nitrogen. Then flue gases, that is hydrogen sulfide, carbon dioxide is obtained, and these are the open cycle system. Now open cycle system, to attain such high temperature, the compressed air is used to burn the coal in the combustion chamber must be adequate at least 1100 degrees centigrade. A lower preheat temperature would be adequate if the air is enriched in oxygen. An alternative is used to compress oxygen alone for combustion of fuel. Little or no preheating is then required. The addition cost of oxygen might be balanced by saving on the preheater. The hot pressurized working fluid leaving in the combustion flows through a convergent divergent nozzle. In passing through the nozzle, the random motion energy of the molecules in the hot gas is largely converted into direct mass of energy. Thus, the gas emerges from the nozzle and enters the MHD generator units at a high velocity. Now, in open cycle system, the MHD generator is a divergent channel made of a heat resistance layer with external water cooling. The hot gas expands through the rocket like generator surrounded by powerful magnet. During motion of the gas, the positive and negative ions move through the electrodes and the constituent and electric current. The arrangement of the electrodes connection is determined by the need to reduce the loss arising from the Hall effect. By this effect, the magnetic field acts as an MHD generated current and produces a voltage in flow direction of the working fluid. Now, in the closed cycle system, two general types of closed cycle MHD generators are being investigated. The electrical conductivity is maintained in the working fluid by ionization of a seeded material as in open cycle system. A liquid metal provides the conductivity and the carrier using a chemical inert gas, although a liquid carrier is being used with a liquid metal conductor. The working fluid is circulated in a closed loop and is heated by the combustion gases using a heat exchanger. Hence, the heat source and the working fluid are independent. The working fluid is helium argon with cesium seeding. Closed मैग्नेटोहाइड्रोडायनेमिक सिस्टम में क्या होता है, बेसिकली जो इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्टिविटी होती है उसके थ्रू हम वर्किंग फ्लूइड का जो आयोनाइजेशन है ऑफ ए सीडेड मटेरियल दैट इज इन ओपन क्लोज सिस्टम, एंड जो क्लोज सिस्टम में हम यूज़ करते हैं दैट इज द इनर्ट गैसेस सच एज हीलियम, ऑर्गन एंड सीजियम. The seeded inert gas system. These are the diagram working of the closed cycle magnetohydrodynamics, and the working fluid is used as a helium and cesium and argon. Now seeded in a gas system. In a closed cycle system, the carrier gas operates in the form of a Brayton cycle. In a closed cycle system, the gas is compressed and heat is supplied by the source at essentially constant pressure. The compressed gas then expand in the MHD generator and its pressure and temperature valve. This is the heat rejection stage of the cycle. Now, liquid metal system. When a liquid metal provides the electrical conductivity, it is a called liquid metal MHD system. An inert gas is a convenient carrier. The carrier gas is pressurized and heated by passage through a heat exchanger within combustion chamber. The hot gas is then incorporated into the liquid metal, usually hot sodium, to form the working fluid. The latter, the consist of the gas bubbles, uniformly disappears in an approximately equal volume of liquid sodium. The working fluid is introduced into the MHD generator through a nozzle. In the usual ways, the carrier gases then provides the required high directly velocity of the electrical conductor. This is the liquid metal system. The advantage: the conversion efficiency of MHD system can be around 50% of much higher compared to the most efficient steam plant. जो efficiency है, it is 50% higher than the other plant system. Still higher efficiencies are expected in future, around 60 to 65%. जो MHD से electricity हमें मिलती है, it goes up to 50%, and the large amount of power is generated. It has no moving part, so it is very reliable. The closed system steam produces free of pollution. It has the ability to reach the full power level as soon as it started. The size of the plant is considerably smaller than the conventional fossil fuel plant. The advantages. Now, the advantages of the MHD, the cost cannot be predicted very accurately. It has been reported that capital cost of MHD will be competitive to conventional steam plant. Direct conversion of heat into electricity permits to eliminate the turbine compared with a gas turbine power plant, or both the boiler and the turbine compared with a steam power plant eliminate reduce loss of energy. These systems permit better fuel utilization. The reduced fuel consumptions could offer additional economic and specific benefit and could also lead to the conversion of the energy resources. It is possible to use MHD for peak power generation and emerging service. It has been estimated that MHD equipment for such duty is simpler as capability to regenerating in large units and has the ability to make rapid start to full load. Future prospects. It is estimated that by 2020, almost 70% of the total electricity generated in the world will be from MHD generated. Research and development is widely done on MHD by different countries: USA, Japan, India, China, Australia, Yugoslavia, Italy, Poland. Okay, thank you. So these are all about the magnetohydrodynamics. Okay, thank you.